Thermistors are temperature-sensing devices commonly used in ovens, stoves, and refrigerators. They have a specific resistance that the control board interprets to determine the temperature. The resistance changes as the temperature changes. For example, we can test the temperature sensor in a refrigerator. For this, we'll need the temperature chart, which is often stored behind the kick plate or behind a cover on the back. To verify that a thermistor is good, we'll have to test the resistance at two different temperatures. At room temperature, we're getting a reading of 2.6 kiloohms. In a glass of ice water, we'll see a reading of 4.5 kiloohms. Over time, thermistors can start to wear down and will need to be replaced. If the resistance is significantly different than its rated value, then it can cause the appliance to be too cold or too hot. You can learn more about testing appliance components in the video linked below. For more troubleshooting on water heaters, furnaces, and appliances, then subscribe to our channel. And if you need help, you can call or visit our AMRE location to talk with our knowledgeable staff. Thanks for watching.